So once recording will start, Milan, you share your. Yes, Milan, you can share your screen now.
My screen is visible.
Yes, visible, Milan.
Okay, ma'am. Hello, good morning, everyone. My book name is Kiss That Frog. From this book, learning like 12 great ways to turn negative into positive in your life. Book author Brian Tracy, guide by Professor Vidimeta. Student information. Name Sujita Milan, provided by enrollment number same third class 3 PC1 division lab A. General information of the book. Title Kiss That Frog. Name of the author Brian Tracy. Publication year 2012. Price 195. Publisher Berek Coiler Publishers. Edition 2012. Genre of the book self-help book. Number of pages 156. Special features if have positive element and twist. ISBN number 97816099428009. Book summary. Kiss That Frog. Circulum. Once upon a time, a witch turned a prince into a frog, decreasing that he would remain a frog until princess kissed him. The frog took up residence at a nearby lake. One day, a beautiful princess come along, sat by the water edge, and dreamed about her perfect prince. The frog hopped over and said that if she kissed him, he would turn into a prince, marry her, and love her entirely. She kissed the frog squarely on the lips and watched him change into a handsome prince. She married him and they lived happily ever after. Book review. The story mentioned in this book is about the princess and the frog. Is in this book story which had given praise to the prince and the prince turned to the frog. In real life, author has compared this frog to our negative thoughts of our life and guided us to overcome these frogs by looking in its face. The author mentioned 12 negative thoughts which are can convert into positive thoughts. According to my view, the main character was the prince of sea course of the witch, but in real life. According to the story author, the thoughts have very great impact in our life. The negative feelings or thoughts can have impact in our life, and the good path and make our life successful. So the negative. Personal opinions regarding this book. My favorite part of in positive personality that is positive self-talk, positive visualization, positive training and development, positive health habits, positive expectation. Yes, I can relate the kind nature of the princess and the belief in a frog that it is the king, and I also like to be a princess lovable nature. I went to a change to something that it is turn negative to positive in my life. And ultimate book it changed my habits of procrastinating. Recommendation. I recommend the book to a little babies, teenagers, as it contains the amazing character and good pictures too, and it is very interesting. I will give 4 out 5 rating. As Disney movie that brought back the princess franchise, it's not the Little Mermaid or Beauty. It is entertaining and memorable book. There are many interesting twists which will make laugh and some to be a moral. Thanks to all. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, so it was very well. You can say a prepared PPT. Good. Chalo, next, anybody wants to give feedback? Is there anybody? I find this was good. Any feedback? Any comment? Anybody wants to? Yes, very good. Okay, you all are typing. Fine. Continue. So fine, we are going to move ahead. Now, who is next? Hiren, are you ready? Let me check in my sheet. Urvisha, are you ready? Urvisha, are you there? Yeah, please share your screen, dear. Yes, Urvisha, you can share your screen.
Hello.
Yes.
So my book, this is my book review. The book name is The Big Leap: Conquer Your Hidden Fear and Take Life to the Next Level. Written by Gay Hendricks. The general information of the book is name of the author is Gay Hendricks. Publication date 21st April 2009. Publisher Hyper One. Genre of the book is self-help book. Number of the pages 216 pages. The special feature of the book is the number of quotes. There are many inspiration quotes. ISBN number is 978-006-1735363. Summary of the book. The big leap is about changing your overall perspective so you can embrace a philosophy that will help you achieve your full potential in work, relationship, finance, and all other walks of life. This book about dreams and fear and how betting the fears and self-imposed limits can make all of those dreams come true. And all you can see. Next, author write four barriers, as you can see. Then he talk about four zones, uh, incompetence zones, confidence zone, excellence zones, and genius zone. In this zone, author talk all the activities were not good at. The incompliance zone, delegate them someone else or find creative way to avoid doing them. Second, complaint confidence zone, activities you can do but others can just as well. Successful people expend for too much time and energy here. Excellence zone, activities you do extremely well. Your family, friends, and organization are most comfortable with your here. And then genius zone, activities you are unique. Then draw upon your special gifts and standard. This is one of the favorite quotes of mine. The goal in life is not to attain some imaginary ideal. It is to find and fully use your own gifts. My opinion, I enjoyed read The Big Leap. It made me think about a lot of things and brought into focus things that I may be doing to prevent myself from being too as successful as I could be. And my favorite part of this book is quotes. There is no not have my least favorite part because all story are motivational. Then recommendation. I would definitely recommend the book to others who are trying to find the direction to their lives or who are not satisfied with how life plays out so far and want to transform their reality. And I would like to give this book 5. So, thank you.
So good, good presentation, Urvisha. Now, yes, all of you, please share your feedback. So good, good Urvashi. Yes, Nirali, I have seen your comment. Yeah, it will be fine. But I have to download the presentation. So just a second, give me some time. Till then, we will take another anybody else turn, and then we will take your turn, Nirali. So now yes, Yatish, are you ready? Hiren, Yatish.
મેમ
Yes, Nirali.
એટલે મારે પ્રેઝન્ટ કરવું પડશે ફરીથી
Yeah,
અત્યારે
you have to. Yeah, you have to present now. You haven't present at all. That's why.
ઓકે ઓકે
Yeah. सो वी विल टेक एक इसी का टर्न ले लेते हैं तब तक मैं डाउनलोड करके रेडी रख लेती हूँ तब तक यस हिरेन एंड यातेश कौन रेडी हो वो दोनों में से या हिरेन गो फॉर इट
Hello, ma'am. My screen is visible.
यस विजिबल
This is my book review. My name is Ziran Karetha. Enrollment number class 3 PC1 lab A. My book name is title is 10 Much. Name of the author is A.G. Krishnamurthy. Publication date is February 2010. Publisher Me Grew Hill Education Private Limited 2010. Edition is 2010. Genre of the book is self-help. Special feature is covers the broad range of achievers, belongs to multiple fields, and few lines are quite in bold. Small figure. ISBN number is 9780070680241. About the story of book review is 10 Much is a collection of story of people, some famous and some very unknown, who went on to be successful despite several advertised beginning throw at them simply by following a few basic process. These remarkable people are why India is a success story. Despite tremendous odds and regardless of who they are or where they have risen from, they have all proved that India is land of tremendous opportunity. It is a land where you can dream big and achieve big, provided you not only have a dream but a road map to achieving it as well and a set of process to help you get there. The author has identified 10 processes that are common to all these achievers. 10 distinct methods that can transform ordinary people into extraordinary achievers. The story of 15 such people, mostly India and some. The major minor character is a general reading book for all dreamers. It is based on life story of successful people, famous personalities. The major minor character do in the story is as this book is based on real incidents. Each chapter have different read characters. They'll talk about hard time, struggle, achievements. My favorite character is as there are many characters in the book, but my one of the favorite is Wright brothers because they signify the power of dreams and desire in shaping one's life by explaining the line of great visionaries. Motivational stories book is all about motivational stories. There are many stories which motivates me like of Bill Gates. They turn suffering. My personal opinion regarding this book is every chapter has story about well-known personalities. So every chapter has motivational story, and I like every part of the book. There's no such least favorite part. I am related to any of the character in the story and some of the things. Yes, I can relate to one of the character from the book, which is Mahatma Gandhi, because of their leadership quality. I came across to this in our daily life situation. If I could change something, it is this is based on real life incidents, so there is no such things. Recommendation is I would recommend to book to all those people who think they can't do it, to all the non-starter to reach their string to certain level, and all challenging youths to catch their goal. Personal would like to read the book pretty much all kind of person would like to read the book, but especially youngster and youth. I would rating give to book is book 5 because it is fabulous book for beginners. You love knowing secret about rich and successful people, which is described is easy and motivating. Thank you guys.
So it was good presentation. So very good, excellent even. Now, anybody else wants to give feedback? Over to you. You all can share your feedback. Yes, Nidali, you can present your screen. Yes, Nidali, you can present your screen.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, you are audible.
So my book name is What to Say When You Talk to Yourself, and my name is Nirali Saparia, and my enrollment number 57. I am class 3 PC1 from A batch, and these are the general information of my book. Publication data: his books are published in many languages in more than 64 countries in worldwide. Published by Simon edition, updated edition June 2020. and number of pages 20 to 26, ISBN code, and this is the sorry about the author. Said Helmster is PhD is the best-selling author of more than 20 books in the field of personal growth, including the classic What to Say When You Talk to Yourself and the recent The Power of New Neurotheory and the 365 Days of the Positive Self-Talk series. And his books are published in many languages in over 65 countries. Who were the main character? It is a self-talk book where the people ask the question and he gives the answer to it. So he is the one who is the main character of the book. Next, what did the main character do in the story? It's a self-talk book. The author gives the answer to the question asked to him. He's basically talk about the five level of self-talk, form of self-talk, categories of self-talk checklist, and implementation. Next, favorite part. These are the favorite part of my book. After examining, uh, sorry, these are the favorite part of my book. It is no longer success theory. It is a simple but powerful fact. Neither luck or desire has the state. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Nirali, you are audible. Yes, audible.
Sorry. It makes no difference whether we believe it or not. The brain simply believes what to tell us it most, and what you tell it about, it will create. He has no choice. Recommendation: I would recommend to this to most of my friends because I observe and the amount of negative self-talk mode of them offer themselves and that hinder their potential, and I want to be surrounded by better version of my friends. Ratings. Ratings, the idea I am writing this book of 5 out of 5. Completely because I completely changed the way of I think. Keep positive with you at all time. The only way to change the way you think is to reprogram the way you think. Instead of fighting your mind with negative words and ideas, feed your brain with positive offering of affirmation and ideas. Thank you.
So fine, good Nirali. So yes, and anybody else? It was a nice presentation. So anybody else want to share anything? Anybody else wants to share feedback? They are free to share feedback. Anybody else? Now who is ready? Hiren, are you there? Now who is ready? Chirag, are you there? Chirag, Hitesh, Sachin, Kamal Raj, Jai Kishan, Hiren, Yatish, Kushal, Mihir. You know this many students are pending. Who is present from this list today? So yes, who is ready? Who is going to present next?